Hello guys, welcome into the another trade breakdown video. Today it's from the New York session, 6th February 2025, Thursday. The entry model was the RRC entry, as always. It's my main model. I took entries with this model for about 99% of the time. You can see I post all of these entries always on my X account on the Twitter. Today this trade was taken on the funded Apex account, on the Top Step consistent account, and on the Tradeovate groups. Here where is the Tradify and other Tradeovate accounts from the companies. Here was a screenshot before, it was live as you can see, and here is the screenshot after. This one, it was like 30 seconds, 1 minute. I post the trade also to the Discord group before it happened with the description, what I'm looking for, what I'm waiting for. We was tapping the 15-minute swing high and 5-minute bearish order block, which worked before really nice. And now I was just looking for some RSI confirmation with body close below. I will explain in this video later on the charts. I post here, I want to see hard close, which means body close, below the 21.826 level, and it happened like few minutes after it. I write great close below 826 and I put my limit order here, and then you can see it fall down to the take profit immediately. Some guys in the group take it also. Here FXXD7 won the giveaway last week in our Discord group for 150k Tradify accounts, and he's doing really good with it. Now we can go to the trading view to explain the trade. Okay, as always we switch the 5-minute time frame, zoom out to get the bias. I'm going to delete this now, but I will draw it again. Why I was bearish? Simple. Since yesterday in New York we are ranging, okay? You can see it is the Wednesday and it's just range. What we do in the range? In the range you don't want to open a trade in the middle, never, okay? Because in the middle you never know where it goes, down or up. You always want to look for the swing highs on the top of the range and swing lows on the bottom of the range. Because of course if this is 5 minutes there will be some swing lows and highs also, but you don't want to take this one. You want to take only those which are on the extreme level of the range, okay? You can do also the Fibonacci level and go for like 0.802 and split the extreme levels that you can see it better. Then we want for, let's say, swing low to be taken around the range low, then long, swing high taken around the range high, and then short. That's what's happened today. You can see range, we sweep this low, we sweep all of these lows also, fill this imbalance, and then price go up, sweep all these highs. There was a lot of highs, just the trend line liquidity, okay? And after sweeping these highs we create swing high, in which was this nice bearish order block. For me the order block, I explained also in previous 2 videos, it's not like ICT explain it. ICT explain order block in case of bearish order block as a last green candle before move down, okay? Then it's this one. But if you use this one you will get stopped out so easily, because look this week, tap the order block, it will give you market structure shift on lower time frame, you will try to short, and this week will take your stop loss, okay? For me the order block is based on style of the old ways of support resistance, is the highest point at the highest candle in case of bearish, and the lowest candle in the swing low in case of bullish order block, okay? You can see here this one, and then nice play out of the order block. Confirmation for the order block is in case of bearish the body close below it, okay? Then this candle confirm this order block, it creates the swing high, the highest candle confirmation, retrace back, and a beautiful reaction. Then this was the bias from here, direction was down, But the problem was this one. We didn't sweep this low, we just go really close to it and create relative equal lows. Then we don't have enough power to go up and sweep this high, okay? Wait, I make it dotted, okay? And also no power to sweep this high. Now price just consolidated in the range. I'm going to use replay tool that you will see how I took the trade, exactly all the process behind it. Now we sweep this low and you can see nice reaction. Now my idea was, okay, we're gonna sweep this 5 minutes high, which was also 15 minute swing high, and then go down to took all of these lows. Okay, this one got swept, but it created new one. And if you now see, we are here. Okay, let's say we didn't even touch that 15 minute 5 minute high yet, and look what we have here. A lot of liquidity, okay, a lot of stop losses of the people who trade off the trend lines of the trend. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 swing lows, and here is only 3 swing highs, which means there is much more liquidity. Plus, if you make the premium discount, you can see we are above the 50% and we should look for the sell. Now my idea was behind this trade, we sweep this 15 minute 5 minute high and go down for this liquidity. Maybe not all of this liquidity, but just for some of it, and then decide if we still ranging or we start downtrend or we continue and go uptrend. I was looking for a short from this level, and you can see we go close to it, we tap it, and once we tap that, I write to the Discord group. You can see here on the screenshot, 15 swing high plus we tap old 5 minute bearish order block, which is this one, which I show on the beginning of the video. Okay, you can see we tap it really exactly to the 1 point, to the tick. And now my tap candle was this one. If you don't know what is tap candle, what is RRC candle, and this is the first video you are watching from me, go on my YouTube channel, scroll down to the first video I ever upload, and that's the explanation of the tap candle and RRC candle and all RRC entry model. I explain the strategy step by step to the details, how to approach each step of it and how to trade it properly. If you are looking for the link, it's in the right corner of this actual video. And this was the tap candle. This candle tapped our point of interest, the 15 minute swing high, as the first one, okay? And this is the RRC 1 candle below it. I write to the group. Okay, now I'm looking for the close below clean 807.75. Okay, you can see RRC 807.75. I was looking for the bearish close below this level to take short, but that doesn't happen. Price continue go up, and this candle which tapped the order block was also 5 minute swing high. We can make it like it, that it will be more easy to see, more visible. And if we go to 5 minute, I always watching 5 minute on other chart with the 30 seconds on the main chart. Then we can see we sweep 5 minute swing high inside the 5 minute order block after we sweep 15 minute swing high, and we are bearish direction. We want to see this liquidity get swept. Then this was the another identifying. This was not valid anymore because we hit another swing point of interest, 5 minute swing point, and our tap candle is this one. Tap the point of interest as a first. RRC candle is candle before it, below it, okay? It's 21,826.50. I also mentioned in the Discord. 21,826 hard close. Hard close means body close below that level. Want to see nice close. Currently it makes small wick, okay? If you go to the chart, you can see this small wick. This is what I mean. And then small consolidation and strong close below it. After this strong close, there is two options. as you know me, I did an entry market in when the candle closed far away from the RRC level. If you watch my previous videos, okay? I often mark also 50% level Fibonacci, but it was not so huge difference. If you draw it, you can see it was like few points difference. Then I decide, okay, let's put the limit order on the RRC, and if it hit, it hit. If not, I miss. Doesn't matter. And I put my take profit as always around 1.5. Okay. I not a lot of the times took profit exactly on the VIX. I like to take profit on 50% of the VIX of my target swing, or on the beginning of the VIX. There is a lot of liquidity. And I go for 1.5 in this trade. Entry limit here. You can see I shared it live in the Discord. It was here, and then fast reaction. It was like 30 seconds, maximum 1 minute, and take profit was hit. It was a really simple and effective trade today, the same like yesterday. Here is my consistency account on the top step. 1 trade per day. It showed like 12 trades, 4 trades, because it showed the size of the micros or minis I took. It count every size as a 1 trade, but that's important right now. Okay, then this was the RRC trade from today, and if you have some questions about the Discord group where I share the trades and all the stuff, it's part of my course, the premium videos, where I explain the detailed confluences and all important stuff you need to have higher win rate with RRC model, because you can see there is a lot of opportunity per day. Okay, really a lot of opportunity. Example, here was another trade. We sweep this 5-minute swing low. Here is top candle, okay, and candle before it, RRC, or you can mark this swing high, close above it. You can took entry here around 50% level, and you see nice play out. There is really every hour you have multiple opportunities, because the entry is on 30 seconds time frame. But with my special confluences, which I share in the videos, in the premium videos, I explain how to pick the A++ setup. Only the setup which meet all the criteria, okay? We don't want to take every trade. We don't want to take every setup. We are focusing only on the A+ setup, the high probability one. And these small details, it's really small details. Sometimes it's more like a funny. It has so much influence, okay, on the trade. Then if you want to have more information, go on the X on the Twitter and check my pinned post. There is all information you need about the premium group and the videos. And a huge benefit of the group is also there is around 50-60 members, and all of them are trading the RRC model. You guys can share the charts, correct yourself if you make some mistakes, somebody else will correct you. We have multiple full-time traders there already, and it can be really helpful on your journey. If you are interested, just write me a DM on the Twitter, or leave a comment under this video, or leave the comment under the pinned post on the X. And that's all from me for today. I hope you understand direction, because I see a lot of you struggle with the bias, with the direction of the market, and it's really, I think, the most simple stuff. You just go on the 5-minute, zoom out, and identify if you are ranging or you are trending, and just jump into the trend, or you are ranging and you are taking shorts from the swing highs on the top of the range, or longs from the swing low on the bottom of the range. It's really that much simple. And then just wait for a clean close on 30 seconds below the RRC in case of short, or above the RRC in case of long. So you can see this candle, this one made a rejection weak, but this one made bearish weak and really strong close below. It was nice confirmation. And if we jump to the actual time right now, you can see where we go exactly for all of that liquidity I explained on the beginning of the video. Then it's really that simple about the direction.